Perfect intro.
What's up, dude?
I literally just walked through the building, went through every door, and I was just like, whoop.
No, so it's cool because Cicada/AFE sent me a new intake, and I'm gonna be showing with them at Spokecom this year, this Saturday. I don't know when this vlog is gonna be out, but basically this is all for Spokecom. You know, I thought I'd help them out. Pretty much, like, they sent me this product so they can test it out on my car. And it's just funny because I'm looking at my engine bay. I'm just like, damn, this shit's so fucking dirty.
That's what I realized yesterday about my car when I did oil change. And I'm like, damn, I haven't cleaned my engine bay in a minute.
It's because I don't have any like liners right here. Look at that. Like, you can literally see my tires. So, like,
Jesus.
Yeah, so like dirt. Just look at all that shit right there, dude.
Look at this telephone cable right here.
I don't want. Stop.
Do you make calls with that cable?
Jack, quit talking. Okay, Mr. Lighting expert comes out of nowhere and starts shitting on my car. What was that? Okay, yeah, it's really on there. I'll do that later. Yeah, anyway. Cicada sent me an intake. We're going to be doing installing that. But at the same time, we're going to be installing this.
That's really
I don't
old.
know what this is.
That's really old.
It's not.
Let's not talk about
it.
I don't know what this is, but Superclass sent me a something that's inside that box. I don't know what it is. Oh, this is their armrest.
Wait, an armrest?
Yeah, it's an armrest. Well, because
that
like
doesn't look like an armrest.
no, because like I just hit them up and they're
Looks
just
like a
like, yeah, we'll
bicycle
send you some stuff, and it's a drop-in one. So I was checking this out on the website.
Command hook? Damn, they're legit.
Yeah.
3M command.
What's cool about this is so they told me that they can actually make the stitching the same color as your interior. So depending on which trim you get your FRS or BRZ in, they can actually color match that. So. They knew mine was red, so they sent me the red stitching, which is really cool. So
that's tight. Okay, wait. So how's this going? Because I don't see that as an armrest at all.
you know what? Me neither.
You don't know?
Dude, I've never seen an armrest like this. It's pretty sick. But I mean, looking at the shape of this, it looks like.
Oh, is that cup holder area?
Yeah, that's where the cup holders go behind it.
By your parking brake.
That's tight. Okay, so we got some little sticky pads right here.
Command hooks.
Command hooks. What he said.
Hooks of command.
Yes.
Hook. If you ever decorate your house, you know what these are.
Cool. Oh, there's a little thingy, a QR code here you can actually. So I'm pulling up my QR scanner right here. And all you gotta do is scan it. There it is.
Oh, tight. Wait, so that's from the camera app? Like literally it'll just...
Yeah, no, so every iPhone has this. I don't know about
I
Androids.
didn't know that. What the heck?
But it's literally in your...
No? What the heck?
It's right there.
No, so you actually have to turn that on. See
Yeah,
that?
and you have to
Yeah,
add it
that
to
little
your
icon right there. You have to turn it on in your settings.
What?
Yeah, so, yeah, anyways. Going back to this. So that QR code is actually an install guide. It goes straight to their website, actually.
That's cool. Okay, so what do you do?
So separate the strips and peel the backing to expose the adhesive.
Okay.
Okay, so I think that's something we have to do inside
All
the
right,
car.
so we got...
So now the armrest is fully secured and snugged into your console, baby. And that's what it's supposed to look like. But unfortunately, I don't have my cup holders.
But it's still cool.
Yeah.
And now you got a place to actually...
Yeah, because like I think every FRS BRZ
Kinda
86
needs that.
person, yeah, they really do need it because we literally have nothing
I can't
there.
believe it doesn't come with that. Because like I can't imagine driving my car without having something there.
No, like I said, dude,
arm
like
is always
usually
there.
I'll just be sitting like this, dude, or my hands on like the shifter, and it's just kind of like whatever, like it doesn't feel right, but now I can just
That's tight.
yeah.
All right, so now air intake.
But no, but shout out to Superclass for sending me this super dope armrest that everyone freaking needs.
100%.
And the best part about it, like I said, is the red stitching, which matches the red stitching that's on the seat right here.
Ooh.
Armrest done. Thanks, Superclass. All right, now we're gonna move on to this Takeda intake right here.
Alright, good news. Got an ECU for the GTR.
Ooh. So does that mean it's
Oh, that paperweight that's sitting right there? Oh man, Dan's gonna kill me. That's cool. Just smell it?
Yeah, I don't know why. It just seems like something you smell it.
Is it a dryer?
It's just
Oil filter?
it's dry. Alright, so we actually got the manual because we're probably gonna need that. Oh, he said fuck the manual. Done with this box. Oh dude, this is the sticker that's gonna
save your ass.
Yeah, basically if a customer pulls me over and they're just like, oh, you got some aftermarket shit, right? This is what's gonna help me because this system that they have is actually carb legal. So if you buy it, you don't have to worry about, you know, cops hassling you because it's fucking carb legal.
So it.
Wait. Oh, wait.
What is that? Okay, you definitely need to remove something there.
No, that's it. That's it. No. Look, here's one bolt and here's the other. The 2 bolts.
So it is saying remove this.
Gently pull on the right side of the blower and gain access to the OE scoop, which is this. Remove the OE scoop off the vehicle by okay, so we have to take it off.
Okay.
But this just proves that this car is a Subaru. No matter what anyone tells you, you might have one from Toyota. Or Scion, if Scion was still a thing when you bought it. It's a Subaru. I don't care what anyone says, it's a Subaru. Okay? Subaru engine, Subaru parts.
So
yeah, they're just like, oh yeah, Subaru's master race.
So what about the Supra then? So it's just
The
a
Supra
BMW.
It's basically a BMW. It has a heart of a BMW, so it's basically a BMW. There you go. If you guys want to fight me on that, you can fight me on that too. I'm willing to debate all day long.
Comments.
Okay, so we have the housing right here with the mass airflow sensor right there. We went ahead and installed the 2 grommets right here, rubber grommets that's going to connect into the car. And then I went ahead and put the 2 clamps already on there just so that once we do it, we can just tighten everything down. Got this hose on. Now we're gonna connect the mass airflow sensor harness right there. And then we're not gonna forget about these 2 clamps right here.
You don't need those, dude. Those are not important at all. Honestly, dude, like weight reduction, just get rid of those. And
Well, what if the whole thing falls off?
like
that's
you'll get
good.
more airflow.
Yeah.
There's not gonna be those.
It would just go straight
I
there.
don't think it works like that.
You also don't
I'm
need wheels.
pretty sure it works like that.
You also don't
Dude,
need
this thing
wheels.
looks sick.
Takeda, baby. Most important part.
Wait, we almost forgot this.
Oh yeah, you should do
You
that.
don't need that, bro.
And then last thing, I really don't know what this tube does, but you know, might as well put it in because it looks important. Honestly, I don't know how far. Oh, there you go.
There you go.
Shit.
Oh wait. The very, very most important part.
Oh, this is gonna get me
Not in trouble.
not in trouble because that's already happened actually.
Alright guys, welcome back to Johnny Reviews Cars. Today we have a beautiful subject, the 2016 Toyota Corolla 86. Basically, this is the most baller car you could get, Hot Boy level 9. First things first, we got this Hot Boy banner right here. Why is it Hot Boy? It's got the color shift just like the rest of the wrap, but not only that, it's also Hot Boy because it's got an 8 LG. Where do you get these types of lettering on your car? No, not the track. When you get your car impounded, they write numbers on it. We got this beautiful hood right here with a nice little dent right there in the center. And some of you might be asking, how did that dent happen? Well, my very own body got thrusted into this beautiful hood here when I got ran over by Doe. Anyway, keep on moving. So we got the Hot Boy color shift flag here. It is a 1-of-1. It's in the same color as a wrap. So you can't really see it, so it's kind of pointless. Cops are gonna pull you over because they're not gonna be able to notice it.
This work for you? I can't seem to find my license, but
You have a good day, sir.
In case that wasn't obvious that he gets in a lot of trouble with the law, he also has a thin blue line flag on the back, which all of these products you can find on our website. Not plugging, just stating the obvious. So we got the beautiful Asantis right here. I mean, Garson Ryugi's. I think that's what they're called. These wheels are pretty Hot Boy. They're pretty much like Meisters, but 10 times better. And these give like 93 horsepower to the differentials. So I know you guys think that this is a wing, but actually this is just so you can get a good grip on your lawnmower. Since this is a Hot Boy lawnmower. And the last and very coolest, most interesting part. Oh, you got that beautiful Neil Diamond shift knob right there, and then you have that very beautiful armrest right there because you want to make sure that while you're holding a nice sexy girl as you're driving, your arm and your elbow doesn't get tired, you know, while you're gripping her thigh. Anyway, yeah, to sum it all up, I give this a 3.4 out of 10.
Alright guys, and that's it for today's install. Thanks to Superclass for the armrest. Thank you to Takeda AFV for the intake. And we'll catch you guys on the next one.